optimize and enhance your YouTube videos? In this video, we'll explore some of the best tools that can help you upload videos on YouTube like a pro. First up, we have TubeBuddy. This comprehensive YouTube management and optimization tool offers features like keyword research, tag suggestions, bulk processing, thumbnail generation, and analytics. Next, let's talk about vidIQ. This powerful tool provides insights and data about your videos, competitors, and audience. With features like keyword research, tag suggestions, video analytics, and competitor analysis, vidIQ can help you optimize your video content and improve your chances of getting discovered on YouTube. Now, let's dive into Canva. This popular graphic design tool allows you to create custom thumbnails for your YouTube videos. With a wide range of templates, fonts, and graphics, you can easily make eye-catching and professional-looking thumbnails. Need to convert your videos for YouTube? Handbrake is here to help. This free and open-source video converter tool allows you to adjust video quality, resolution, and file size, ensuring smooth uploading and playback on YouTube. YouTube Studio is the official YouTube tool for creators. With YouTube Studio, you can easily upload and schedule videos, access analytics, manage comments, and engage with your audience. It's your all-in-one platform for YouTube management. Don't forget to promote your YouTube videos on social media. Tools like Hootsuite, Buffer, or Sprout Social can help you schedule and automate your social media posts, ensuring your videos reach a wider audience. Remember, while these tools are great for optimizing and promoting your videos, the most important aspect is creating high-quality and engaging content. Focus on creating videos that captivate your audience and leave a lasting impression.